seed. Flip over the bed, oh, you really sleep. You made a year, what I made a week.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Week 2. We are looking at another busy day for Monday. Monday is the 7th. Today we're pulling up to experimental film. We are watching our self-portrait videos today. We are discussing some readings and shit. Should be easy, should be fun. I think today we're deciding that we're doing 3 projects over the whole term. That way I can use, or I have more content for portfolio work. Last night I stayed up super late editing the vlog from week 1. So I'm a little bit sleepy today. Maybe we'll have to grab a coffee or something, maybe another Jamba. After classes today, I go straight to work, and when I get home, I will be animating. I'll try and record some of that, because I haven't really shown too much of the editing or the animating stuff. I'm supposed to be doing my morph animation. I gotta finish that up today, because that is due tomorrow.
Me and walk for my bread. This the new back, the chicken way back. Giving no slack, my bed is on stack. Don't sleep, I got to get my bag on. Oops, forgot to turn my swag on. Venue, house, slaughter, killer. Flow so cold it's icy. Shiver, punch and jaw, body shot, liver. Baddies weak for break, quiver. Let me get down to the brass tacks. I'm final boss, no printer, all facts. All facts. You stepped into a disaster. You doom, better pray to the pastor.
Praying for a genie, praying to the stars above. I just wanna fall in love. I just wanna fall in love. Wishing for a holy glow. Praying you're the pot of gold. Loving you is all I know. Loving you is
Class over. We are the best. We looked at our videos. Mine still looks good on the big screen. People laugh. I like laughs. Be a big funny guy, haha, har. But yeah, we're looking at doing like a little group project here using the green screen. Should be pretty simple. I believe I've decided that I'm going to do this next project for my video class, and then we're doing one bigger one to end it out with. So that should be pretty sweet. Right now we're getting Jamba. I need some energy, or else I'm gonna crash and burn. It's a long day today. I know I have time for food after my next class before work, but I need something to hold me over until then. That's what we're cooking with today. A little update. I'm gonna start putting what music I'm listening to throughout the day in here. Today we are listening to All American Fuckboy, Duckworth. My first time listen. I'm only on like song 2 right now, but the chapter 1 transition into Toxic Romantic, that whole intro, fire. Big fan of that. Yeah, awesome, cool. Yeah, we'll see you in an interactive video, making some cool little filters and shit.
Not you. I swear. It's me.
I think my girlfriend hates me. She thinks that I'm mixy in these streets. Even addicted like every single body slim in the waist, freckle face a little hottie, yeah. I think my girl can't stand me. She thinks that I'm face first in some other cunts. She like to tell me what would you eat. Guess I'm a cunt, so prepare me a feast, yeah. I'm so problematic. My baby says she can't stand it. I'm the toxic romantic, mind, swimming around in my thoughts all the time. Guilt trips, driving me wild. I shake the dice and I do it with style. I still love you, but I'm in love with myself. No, I do not need some help. I'm so problematic. My baby says she can't stand it. I'm the toxic romantic.
I don't know how or what possesses me to create the shit I do in that class, but I am like a glitch noise goblin. Master of the glitch and distortion. I don't know, man. Every single little project we've had, he wants me to show exactly how I do it on the screen for everybody. So that feels good. So now it means I am making some cool stuff, but still weird. Loading meetings. It's Tuesday. We're heading to Intro to Animation. About to do a little bit of showcasing off our little doodles and bubbles. Last night, finished up doing my morph animation. I ended up doing grapes turning into a fishbowl. So you saw that time lapse. Yeah, so we'll be looking at that, my little ball animation. And then after that, it's digital interactivity time. Don't know what we're doing today. I missed the other day, so I'm a little bit behind. After that, we got to shoot. I think we're doing man on the street interviews today. Wednesday, April 9th. Nope, maybe. Today we have video, interactive video. It's video day. Today's video day. We will be running up a new project, I believe, from a video class. I think it's a group project where we're messing with the green screen and making the soundscape. So that should be fun. Group projects are always fun. Interactive video, I think all we do in that class is fuck around with this program, so you'll see more weird glitchy bullshit. But super fun. I like it. And then after that we got work. So that's what we're cooking up. Let me see what else we can do. I want to make cool stuff. I just had the most diabolical, stomach-churning fucking Subway. Not happening again. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. It's gonna like kill me from the inside out. Okay, to make this, we have a text draw with a pulse generator, float counter, causing it to scroll, which is sent into both a displacement map and an effect mixer, which is being displaced by the black and white kind of like angel glow thing, which is then being displaced by my lovely water graphic. After that, it's a lot of like throwing on the dots filter to give it that grainy look, as well as like colors and gradients. I also displace with my camera. Hello.